all his poles. I put like 5 poles in there. There's fish in it though. Oh. Yeah, I got him. Orange guy. Swap to the Kitech real quick after I just lost my bottom dweller. Angry little guy.
Yeah, dude.
That's right, homie. That one's a better one.
Hey,
I got him right in the nostril, look.
I wasn't sure you had one.
Right in the sniffer. Second one of the day. Off to a slow start, but we're still on them. Oh, that's big. Yo, get the net. Oh, he's dogging me. Bro, he's ripping drag.
Come on. Come on. Calico or big ass sandbass. Dude, he's fighting hard. Yeah, dude.
Oh shit. Yeah, stay on, baby, stay on.
It's a halibut. Oh, dude, it's a big ass sandbass.
Dude, my first Sandy. Sandra, baby! Woo!
Dude.
Yo, that is a tank,
Dude,
dog.
That's 18, 19, 18.
She choked it.
Oh my God, here. Dude, I'm telling you.
Dude, that is a tank.
Let me see the thing is in there.
That is a straight tank, my boy. Look where it's at, guys. Down the guggler. Sheesh. That is a tank, doggy.
You got the fire?
Yeah.
Knuckles said, let me get an 18, 19 inch Sandra.
Yo.
Dude, almost 18. There goes PB Nova.
She gone. They're not committing. I got him on the Yunique Bait.
You got him?
On the Yunique Baits, bro.
if I could double up with you, dude.
Another Sandra. I think it's the same one, bro.
No, dude, that one's bigger.
Yo.
Dude, you're fucking smoking them, dude.
What the hell on the Yunique, bro?
Probably get a legit measurement on the other one. 2.5.
Yep.
2.5.
2.5.
Grab one.
Yo, toads, bro.
Dude,
straight toads. Crazy, man. Hell yeah, bro.
Dude, been smoking them.
Dude, that's insane. So we should tie on that Dweller for sure. Sweet deal, dude. That's gonna get bit. Down. You on?
Dude, that was such a weird bite.
Right when I said that we weren't getting any bites.
He's not that big though. That was a weird bite. He's deciding to bite. This little Spartamus Prime.
Spotamus Prime.
Phew. Finally, dude.
Hell yeah,
Dude,
bro.
he was barely hooked. It didn't even go all the way.
Let me see.
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, you did.
Nova's PB right this one.
Sheesh. Crazy. Good stuff, Ben.
Alright, go for it.
Really?
Yep. Oh, decent. Decent.
Right on that piling, huh?
Yep. Oh, shoot. That's a spider.
He's dogging you.
Oh, I popped out.
Oh. I didn't get to see what it was, did you? Fucking 12 bucks right there, fam. $10 bait, $2 hook. On the Dweller. It's a Cali.
Kelly?
Or that's a Sandbass.
What the hell?
That fool has a crab in his mouth.
Oh, never mind.
On the BD.
Smoked it, dude. What is it, like 12? 13?
13 inches.
Dude, that's crazy.
Nice one on the BD.
On that BD.
On the bottom Dweller, baby.
Oh, yeah,
That's
dude.
right. Good looking, Ben. Sheesh. Get in there, girl.
Yeah, dude.
She gone. Damn. Bro, I got it. I got it.
Now he's been almost.
Ben shot me this colorway real quick to get on him. I lost my Dweller, snagged it up over here on one of these rocks. Nice.
Got him?
I got him. Sandy again. Bro, non-stop sand bass. Hold on, bud. Hold on, bud. Hold on.
It's smoking the sand, bro.
Nice one. 14 inches on that one. Look at that. On the GT 360. On the fall, yeah.
It's hanging.
Is that a sand bass?
Yeah, it's a sandy.
He came back and struck it.
No, we're killing it today.
There.
Gonna wait?
Well, that's at least 10 pounds.
And smoking them, dude.
Hell yeah, bro. That's right. No rolling it on the bottom. That's been working for me.
That's what I'm doing. I mean, I just missed the point.
Oh yeah. Damn. Oh yeah, he's big, bro. Oh snap, he's dogging me.
That fool dogged you? No, you got him. How the fuck am I even recording? Sheesh, dude, that's 17.
Woo! Put him right back out the water.
Dude. Oh yeah, dude.
Yo, that is a chunk.
Dude, you're fucking smoking them today, dude.
That Kitech underspin.
For sure.
I ripped his lip.
Good Novo's been smoking them.
Yo, this might be a PB, bro. I think this is PB right here.
How big is it? 14?
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me put him on the bump board to get a more accurate reading. $14.
2 pounds?
1.8.
Put some dead weight on them.
There he is, a nice one on the Kitech underspin. Man,
Them, dude.
Man.
I can know it's smoking everything.
If they're down there, they're getting it. They're hitting it. That's crazy, bro. This is my lucky rod, man. Straight up. Good?
Yeah.
That momentum, my bad. All right, folks, that's it for Long Beach. Ended up pulling up, got me my first sand bass. Good looking, Ben. Thanks for bringing me out, bro.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching, fam. Peace.